Yo guys, Alvin Mark here on the north side of the Dublin River, and it's my first time venturing into this Victorian market. So I hear that this place is gonna be revamped. The market has had 130 years of history here in Dublin, and I'm pretty sure that it had plenty of facelifts. So we're gonna spend the morning here, we're gonna make some paintings and sketchings. Here we are. Alright guys, so it has already happened. The work was slated to have begun in the earlier part of the year, but I guess thankfully it's still up. The building is still intact, but we can see from around here that they have cordoned off a lot of the areas, and only one flower shop remains. Oh, actually a few flower shops and maybe one produce over there. Pussy willows, very interesting. I can almost imagine how bustling this place was when it was in full operation. So now to find a spot, we know that we can't sketch in them because it's just that, or maybe we can. But I'm gonna find an outdoor and exterior to paint a facade that really says Victorian Market Dublin. I think that this is the main entrance. It looks really grand. On the wrought iron it says 1892. So let's get this baby done. Alright guys, so I'm done with this for now. It's raining, it's not that bad, but I think I'm gonna seek shelter in there. I think I'm gonna be alright in here, yeah. Hey guys, Alvin Mark here. Thank you for joining me in my travel sketch series. You've seen so much of Ireland. Tell me what you like about Ireland. We are here at north of Dublin City. Until the next episode, we will head down south of the river. So tune in. Better yet, subscribe and hit that bell.